Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix transaction error on Trust Wallet. Now, there are different reasons why you have a transaction error on Trust Wallet, and there are different kind of errors. So let's take a look at some of the errors, right? So it could be that you have insufficient funds. It could be that your gas price is too low. You can also get a nonce error, which is a variable that is used to prevent double spending in a blockchain. So if the nonce value of your transaction is incorrect, it can result in an error. Trust Wallet will also notify you when you have to increment the nonce value. You also have invalid address. So if the address that you're sending the funds to is not valid or has not been activated, right, the transaction will fail. So make sure you're sending to the correct address. Network errors, sometimes network errors can occur, causing the transaction to fail. This might be due to congestion on the blockchain network or problem with your internet connection. You need to try this again later down the line if you want it to work. And also smart contract errors. I mean, if you're using smart contracts to execute transactions, it is possible, that the contract may have bugs or errors. So these errors could cause the transaction to fail. So, based on which error there is, you will have a solution, right? So, for example, if you have insufficient funds, then you have to have more funds, right? Especially for the gas, the gas price as well. So if a gas price is too low, then gas is a small fee that is required to be paid. So you need to be paying that fee, right? So it really depends what kind of transaction error you have on Trust Wallet. But if you have any specific, transaction error, comment down below and I'll take a look at it and we'll see how we can go and solve this. So thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.